Hi friends, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. In highlights today, we have one new company added to the ETF. And which ETF and what's the company? Please stay with me to find out about that. And of course, we'll keep an eye on daily watch list on these four most popular stocks and see how they have been trading it. And we'll try to do all of this in 5 minutes or less. So stay with me. Please like and subscribe. That's a free way to show your support to the channel. And we'll also go over the biggest moves and market value trend, of course. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, friends. In ARK summary, we keep an eye on market value of all the 8 ETFs combined. Today, it's ending in 42.21 billion. As you can see, it's a really downward trend. Yesterday, it's not as bad today, but it is still negative, 0.1% negative. This is how this 42.21 billion divided in all the 8 ETFs, Israel being the smallest one, but Israel is the biggest one when it comes to number of companies that are present in Israel ETF. So it's 77 companies. So total it's 289. Today we see an uptick. So a new company has been added. So we'll go over that in just a bit right after biggest move. In biggest move today, we have a threshold of 3% for percentage of shares. So any companies whose shares were traded more than 3% on plus side or negative side will show up here in this chart. These are the companies that fit that criteria. This is their ranking in 289 companies that they are invested in. So let's go over it one by one. Genius Sports ranked 172, so a little bit in the bottom half of the portfolio. 71% extra shares added there. Not a big move in terms of market value. As you can see, it's 4.5. LivePerson is something that keeps popping up on daily basis. They have been adding more and more shares for LivePerson. 7% more added there. Not a big difference in market value again. Dynamic Special Purpose Acquisition Corp looks like. And this is 5% extra shares added there. Then you have Komatsu 4%, Sema for Holdings Corp 3% extra shares added there. Then we have in the negative side Airbus 33% removed, Serpera 29% removed, Ping and Health 16%, Baidu 12%, Roche 5%, Exxon 5%, Regeneron 4% removed, Robo Group 4%, and Novartis 3% removed. So biggest in terms of market value is this one, which is Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, 18.4%. So that was the biggest move by percentage of shares. Let's make this as 0 now and increase market value threshold to something which makes it more consumable. So yeah, let's increase that to 10 million just to see if there are any biggest moves just because stock price increased, so this number of shares traded is under 0%, under 1%, as you can see, but they are the biggest moves. Looks like just because the stock price bounced back for Tesla is the number one in the portfolio, and number one today in terms of green, present in 3 ETFs, has gone up. Then you have Fate Therapeutics, again same story, stock price ticking back up. Palantir, stock price ticking back up too. We'll feature that in a bit as well. Robinhood, you have C, UiPath. Palantir and UiPath are the two companies present in all the 6 ETFs. Then you have Too Simple, DraftKings also. And then in terms of negative, you have Roku, 45 million removed, 45 million washed away just because stock price went down. Coinbase, similar story. You have Unity Software, similar story. And 10x Genomics, 2% removed, but stock price also going down there. Regeneron, we went over. DocuSign 3% removed or 2.9% removed, and stock price also going down. Twilio, Zoom, Pacific Biosciences, and Teladoc. So those were the biggest moves. Let's take a look at the high level picture of overall portfolio. Tesla being the greenest green, Roku being the reddest red today. And this is how it looks overall, more red than green, as we saw in the market value trend. Now let's see new and removed company. There are no removed companies, only new company, Pfizer Inc., PFE ticker symbol, added to ARKG. Position started there with just 8 million. So that's the new company. And then let's go over to the daily watch list quickly. We have DraftKings, Palantir, Skillz, and NanoDimension. So we do a diff from yesterday, the positions, these 4 positions, the number of shares that they had yesterday to today. We do a diff and then find out how many shares moved. So 0.0 something percent for DraftKings, 0.3% for Palantir, 0.1% for Skillz, and 0.1% for NanoDimension. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. It's not even 1%. This is more of an adjustment than more than anything. Palantir is the biggest in terms of market value change though, just because the stock price ticked back upwards and it is a really, really big position now that they hold. They are showing a lot of confidence in this, which basically rivals Tesla pretty much, the confidence they have in Tesla. That's how bullish they have been on Palantir. So yeah, that's your daily dose, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank